Why are you putting them on the table?
What else am I gonna put them?
On the floor!
Let's give this guy a little potassium.
Oh my gosh.
So what's up, guys? The new baby chickens have made it out to the yard. So these are the options for the new Americanas, all the babies. There's a little space in here with Nugget and the gang, or they can go in here with Dwayne. Problem is, there's gonna be a lot of poop. This is like a week's worth of dirty bedding, and there's not gonna be a ton of room on the roosting bars for 30 more chickens. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. It was probably a mistake to get all of them. Like, we got 52 chickens right now, and we only get like 12 to 15 eggs a day. So not very good, but I also don't really want to get rid of a lot of chickens, or any chickens, because we kind of get attached to them. I'm pretty attached to all these chickens, so we're probably not going to get rid of any of them. There are some in Nugget's pen that we'll probably get rid of. So this is Nugget, obviously, and we're going to keep him forever. But he also has like 3 sons out here. There's this handsome little guy. I don't know his name, but he's a rooster, so he's got to go. There's also Kiss, who's Nugget and Hershey's baby. He's a boy. He's going to be hard to get rid of because we've had him a while, but he'll probably need to go. And then there's this pretty little guy, also Nugget's son, confirmed rooster. He's got to go. So that's 3. And then one more possible rooster. And then there's this fella, who is not confirmed yet. Probably is a rooster. So that's 4 chickens we can get rid of to make room for 30. And then the final solution is to get rid of the garden, build another chicken coop, make this a chicken run, and then put all the Americanas in there, which I like that idea because I hate the garden. It's like too much work. But that's one more chicken coop that Shayla will have to clean. All right, we're taking the chickens on a walk just to get them out into some fresh grass, let them have a little fun time, adventure time. So this is just in this little area is like 23 chickens. Adding 15 more maybe wouldn't be such a big deal. Do 15. I don't know. We'll do some fresh veggies for these guys. Now I'm going to throw a little out for the big chickens. Done deal. We'll let this get cold. Save this chicken. No. What are you doing? You want to go back over? Don't come up. Go out. There you go. She tried to take a little shortcut in here. All right, time to call everybody back. Come on. Some of them aren't coming. Jealousy's a good motivator. Yeah. These two girls have been trying really hard to make me a grandpa. They've been broody for like 3 months. I'm just gonna give them a little snacky. There you go.
Yeah, I get crushed up.
Might take them out and make them drink something. It's hot.
Now she's eating them. I'm always so scared of Dawn. Well, I'm not scared of her. She's a good baby, but she always pecks at you so she gets attention. The Silkies, I'm waiting for them to lay. They haven't laid yet. Well, one time I found a few in the corner where they were laying, and they got up and there were a bunch of eggs under them. So they laid a little bit there, but I don't know if they're going to lay anymore. Nugget keeps on getting mad at this one because she's attacking everybody. Oh, you're the nice one. You're the nice one. And the mean one that bites. I think the mean one's over there. Or that one might be the mean one. Yeah. One back there and one right here. Did you let them out and they came into the wrong pen? They might have flew back into here. Yeah, that one's the mean one out back there. He puffs up and he gets so mad. This one's so floofy. I love him. That one's Pepper. Salt died.
It's raining today. It was a little stormy earlier, so we put the cows out. But we're gonna go check on them. Hi, Debbie. She's just sitting over here watching her pet chickens.
Oh, so they can see it. And they choose right by the chickens. Why are you being that near?
This is the fun part of having cows. Just cuddling with them.
You're free!
I've been seeing on Facebook that this corn smut's pretty good, but it looks gross to me. I don't think we're gonna eat it. What you doing, Luca? Yeah. She a good girl?
Yeah.
She's a keeper. Good job, Nugget. You're the king of the world, bud. You're the king of the world.